24 hours, still Kolkata is waterlogged. Kolkata civic mess has now been exposed. The streets of Kolkata are still inundated. Shameless passing of the buck is being done by the mayor. The mayor says cannot do magic to make water disappear. In fact, the LOP in the state of Bengal, Subhendu Adhikari, is now attacking the Mamata Banerjee government. It is Mamata Banerjee who is responsible for waterlogging and for the deaths. The IMD had sent out a warning. Mamata Banerjee did not take precautions. Deaths are because of negligence of the state government. Big statement coming in from the state of West Bengal now. We are seeing it's TMC versus the opposition party in the state of West Bengal, that is the Bharatiya Janata Party. We've got several reactions coming in on the story. Let's listen in.
पानी ऐसा चीज है जो आपको आस्ते आस्ते निकालना पड़ेगा। हम मैजिक तो नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये पानी जो है हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन चल रहा है। जब हाई टाइड आएगा तब पानी नहीं निकलेगा, फिर लो टाइड जब आएगा तब पानी निकलेगा। हमारा इस बार जो था सवेरे इतना पानी था जो लो टाइड जब था फिर हाई टाइड आ गया। और हाई टाइड क्या है, ये आया है बान आया। बान माने और बड़ा हाई टाइड जिसको वो आया ना, बोट टाइड, तो वो आया था। इसलिए काफी पानी जो रुक गया था उस समय। अभी फिर लो टाइड आ रहा है, तो अभी हमारा पानी जो है आस्ते आस्ते निकलेगा और हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन सब चल रहा है।
देखिए, इसके लिए सीधा सीधा ममता बनर्जी का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जिम्मेदार है। ये आप देख लीजिए, ये आईएमडी का जो उनको प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर लेना चाहिए था, ले ही लिया। कॉशन दिया था प्रॉपरली विद एडवांस, आईएमडी ने दिया, लेकिन ये लोग नहीं किया। जितना लोग का डेथ हुआ है ड्यू टू दिस गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया सीएससी, 1 करोड़ रुपया स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया कलकत्ता कॉर्पोरेशन देना चाहिए।
Kolkata did not receive overnight rain. It's a sunny day in the morning today, but the marks of yesterday are still visible as we speak here in Kolkata, as different places remains to be inundated. We are standing in the southern part of Kolkata, and this is a Rabindra Southern area which still remains to be absolutely underwater. And there are several other places in southern part of Kolkata and northern part of Kolkata where the water logging still continues. We have been given to understand that the Kolkata Municipal Corporation and the state government both have opened helpline numbers, and in case of any eventualities, those numbers can be dialed. And what the government says that as it did not rain overnight and weather is seemingly getting better since morning today, it is expected that it will take several more hours to clear these areas. But you can see it's heavy traffic movement in these areas. There are several vehicles which have already broke down. There's a government bus which is standing on the side of the road. There's an alert from the IMD that today and tomorrow there could be scattered rainfall of moderate to light rainfall in different places of Kolkata and suburban areas. All precautionary measures are being taken by the government so as to meet any kind of eventuality if it takes place. With video journalist Argo Ghosh, this is Taposh Gupta for India Today in Kolkata.
My colleague Anupam Mishra is now joining me. Anupam, what we are seeing, the streets have been inundated. A big war of words has broken out. The BJP now blaming the TMC and saying that all those people who have died, that death is actually on the hands of the Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
Well, yes, a big political war has erupted in Kolkata over the flooding. And let me show you, amid this political war, the exact situation here. This is the southern part of the city and Minto Park area. And look at these areas. These are all inundated, and Kolkata Municipal Corporation is trying to pump out the water from these areas, trying to drain out the water from these areas. But since yesterday, the water is receded a bit, but not as expected. And let me show you the other parts of this area. The people are waiting to water being receded, and these are the persons who are waiting here. And let me talk to them. क्या स्थिति है अभी? आप लोग नहीं जा पा रहे हैं?
नहीं जा नहीं पा रहे हैं, 1 घंटे से खड़े हुए हैं। पास में ही ऑफिस से जा नहीं पा रहे हैं।
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप?
हमारे महेश तला से।
वहाँ पे ऑफिस पानी है हर जगह?
वहाँ पर भी पानी है, रास्ते में न्यूआलीपुर में भी पानी है, चेतला में भी पानी है।
कल जितना पानी था उससे कम हुआ है या वैसा ही स्थिति है?
उससे थोड़ा सा कम हुआ है।
थोड़ा कम, लेकिन ऑफिस गाड़ी जाने लायक स्थिति नहीं है।
नहीं, अब तो देख ही रहे हैं यहाँ पर।
आप भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं?
बस वेट ही कर रहे हैं पानी कम नहीं।
कितनी देर से?
मेरा तो 45 मिनट्स हो गया।
45 मिनट से। लेकिन पानी कम नहीं हुआ है या नहीं हो रहा है?
कम हो तो रहा है, लग रहा है उससे ज़्यादा तो फिर वापस आ ही रहा है। बहुत लो एरिया है तो आसपास का पानी भी यहीं आ रहा है, तो टाइम तो लगेगा यहाँ पर।
Well, you can understand the situation here. People are waiting that water will recede, but let me tell you, the water is receding very slowly, and these are the traffic conditions in the southern part of the city at present. The long queues are here because of the uninundated water. These are the flooded streets of Kolkata, southern Kolkata. These are the posh areas. Office places are there, and people are trying to come to office, but they are getting harassed. They are facing extreme difficulty because of flooded streets.
Right, Anupam, please stay on with me. In fact, India Today also had an exclusive conversation with the mayor of the city of Kolkata, Firhad Hakim. Listen in to what he had to say.
पानी ऐसा चीज है जो आपको आस्ते आस्ते निकालना पड़ेगा, हम मैजिक तो नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये पानी जो है हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन चल रहा है, जब हाई टाइड आएगा तब पानी नहीं निकलेगा, फिर लो टाइड जब आएगा तब पानी निकलेगा। हमारा इस बार जो था सवेरे इतना पानी था जो लो टाइड जब था, फिर हाई टाइड आ गया, और हाई टाइड क्या है, ये आया है बान आया, बान माने और भी बड़ा हाइट है जिसको वो आया, बोट टाइड, तो वो आया था, तो इसलिए काफी पानी जो है वो रुक गया था उस समय। अभी फिर लो टाइड आ रहा है, तो अभी हमारा पानी जो है आस्ते आस्ते निकलेगा और हमारा पंपिंग स्टेशन सब चल रहा है।
Colleague Anupam is still with me on the story. Anupam, we are seeing it's a tit for tat, but unfortunately those who are stuck in this very bad traffic, stuck in waterlogging, are the local citizens who are now facing massive problems because of this massive waterlogging.
Exactly, people are facing a lot of difficulties, and you know Durga Puja is approaching, and a lot of pandals and a lot of activities are stalled at present because of these waters. These waters are not receding as expected. Kolkata Municipal Corporation is trying to drain out the water. It has receded, but not as expected, and people are facing, because it's a weekday and offices are there. People need to go to offices, but they are waiting at the streets to so that water will recede. These are the government places, these are the government offices here, CBI offices here, and this is the condition of the road at present in these areas. You can see water level here in the flooded streets of Kolkata. Traffic surgeons are trying to restore the traffic, but it's pretty difficult here. People have to wait hours to cross minimum 2 kilometers or 3 kilometers. And still there is a chance of the engine of the vehicle being seized by the waterlogged streets. So there are a lot of cars we have seen that have the engines have been seized, and people are facing difficulties. क्या हालत?
बहुत खराब हालत है, बहुत खराब हालत है। इतने खराब हालत कोई जीवन में देखा ही नहीं, इतना
नहीं देखा,
वो भी नहीं देखा। ये गवर्नमेंट का फॉल्ट है, बहुत फॉल्ट है। कोई ड्रेन में सब सफा नहीं करते हैं ना। देखिए क्या हाल हो गया, देखिए ना, मेरा गाड़ी भी दोबारा बंद हो गया, बहुत खराब हो गया, बहुत खराब हो गया, बहुत हालत बहुत खराब है। क्या करे, ऑफिस में जाना है इसीलिए जा रहा है, बहुत खराब है।
You can see the frustration of the local people, local commuters who are facing extreme difficulties. They have to reach the office, they have to work, and somehow they are dealing with a situation which has not been seen in Kolkata. So this is the situation right now in southern part of the Kolkata.
Right, Anupam, please stay on with me. In fact, the mayor of the Kolkata city, Firhad Hakim, has reacted to the waterlogging that one can witness across the city. Listen in.
So are you trying to tell people in Calcutta and Bengal at large that the drainage system in Calcutta, which is a 300-year-old city, is working fine?
Absolutely. Yes, 100% we have, it is okay that we have, and the people should be rest assured that we will have a fun fair during Puja if the rain does not come again.
So you're confident that you will be able to put everything back to normalcy?
Yes.
Because the puja committees are extremely scared right now, given the deluge.
I assure them that the puja will be. This is the abnormal situation, and within a day or two, the situation will be normal. If this doesn't occurs again.
My colleague Anupam is still with me on the story. Anupam, what is the impact this change in weather and this massive waterlogging is having on the Durga pandals? Because we have seen how the city actually comes alive, and the kind of waterlogging that we can see at the moment, the pictures, all of them telling us the sad story of affairs.
Well, you know that the waterlogging has disrupted especially southern Kolkata. Southern Kolkata had received the maximum rainfall, especially Gadia, who had received at least 300 mm rainfall in just 3 hours. So basically, let me tell you, the southern part of Kolkata, the South Kolkata has been affected badly, and the puja committees, puja pandals are there facing extreme difficulty. The pandals have washed away. The preparations which they have done for at least several months are facing extreme difficulty. So it still needs to be to receive the water. If water level does not recede, the water does not drain out, it will become extreme difficult for southern Kolkata puja committees to operate or to start the puja in the time, because you know that it's only one week left for the Durga Puja, and the preparations were high. Not only the preparations, the people were also prepared. They were buying clothes. Some of the people were about to buy the clothes, but they are not being able to come out from their houses. And if they are coming out from their houses, this is the situation at present. And this area especially, this is a very buzzing area, the Minto Park area. Hundreds and thousands of offices are here. And in a normal day, if you come here, you'll feel the buzz out here. But right now, this whole area is inundated. The streets are flooded. People are facing extreme difficulty. So this situation has never been here in Kolkata, because see, water will, the streets will be flooded if rainfall happens so heavily, but it will recede. And it happened earlier that water levels have risen, but it has receded in the time. But this time, since last 24 hours, the water level has not receded as expected, and that is why people are facing extreme difficulty.
Right, Anupam. Thank you for giving us those details. Let's also listen into what Suvendu Adhikari, who's the leader of the opposition in the state of West Bengal, has to say about this inundation of roads.
देखिए, इसके लिए सीधा सीधा ममता बनर्जी का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जिम्मेदार है। ये आप देख लीजिए, ये आईएमडी का जो उनको प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर लेना चाहिए था, ले नहीं लिया। कॉशन दिया था प्रॉपरली विद एडवांस, आईएमडी ने दिया, लेकिन ये लोग नहीं किया। जितना लोग का डेथ हुआ है ड्यू टू दिस गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया सीएससी, 1 करोड़ रुपया स्टेट गवर्नमेंट, 1 करोड़ रुपया कलकत्ता कॉरपोरेशन देना चाहिए।